What's going on? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another one at the Nike outlet out in Long Beach, California. Yeah, I don't really know what to expect. I didn't call. I didn't see if they have any sales. It is Sunday at 1 o'clock, so I don't really know what to expect. So let's see what's up, you guys. See what's up. Let's pray for some deals, you guys. See what we can get. See what we can get. All right, it's not too packed. Got 20% off the hash walls. Let's see what we can find. Hope the resellers didn't grab everything. Let's see what's up. All right, we are in the size 10s. I see another one of these, 10 and a half. This is the Air Force City of Dreams. I forgot who reminded me of that, because I did see these a while back and didn't know what the heck they were called. But City of Dreams, and this is the Chicago. Oh wait. This is the City of Dreams, and it's the black City of Dreams, if I remember, because they have a different color one as well. But yeah, these are hella clean, dude. Hella clean. It is just regular buck with it just being painted, because the texture, you can't really tell what kind of material it is from afar. But yeah, it is just regular buck leather. No, it's not focusing. Okay, it is just regular buck leather, and yeah, this part is 3M right here, and that part's 3M. Yeah, pretty dope. Pretty dope. Going for $130. Get that 20% off. Get the Air Force Max 2s going for $100. Actually, wait, 110, you get 20 off. Oh, okay, this colorway of the Vomero, look at that, $65. 20% off too. But yeah, this one has like a little stain. You could probably clean that off, but yeah, not bad. $65. 20% off of that. That'd probably be close to what, 51, 52? Not bad. This colorway go for a little bit more at 100. Got these Lebron Elliot'S go for 250. Holy crap, that's crazy. Even with that 20% off, that's crazy. Someone showed me they got these for like 111 on the Nike website. That's a hell of a deal. Dude, got some Jordan 10 wings. We've been seeing these everywhere. Does come with a generic ass box. it's weird seeing Jordans in these orange boxes. But yeah, get 20% off. You see anything dope in the back? Anything awesome? I don't see shit out here. I don't see much out here.
I haven't seen anything. Like sportswear shoes, nah.
Nothing.
We had KDs, but they're like some.
Man, KDs are everywhere in the outlets, man. Those bad boys are perennial tenants here. Okay. No dope Jordans in there? No retros? You guys usually always got retros in the back.
Yeah?
Got cleaned up this morning or something?
I know we had some returns, but as soon as they come out here, they.
Yeah. You guys heard me talking to my man who works here, and yeah, they don't really have many Jordan retros here. Yeah, it seemed like he was really honest about what they got. So yeah, $70 for these Air Max 2 light premiums. These are, yeah, this is a 10 and a half. Going for 20% off. Still in the 10 and a half. Oh, these Visions, they're a little bit down. The React Visions, these are, seems like kind of like an updated version of the Elements. But yeah, go for $100. Normally $140. Usually, we've only seen these for retail, so get that for $80. It's not bad if that's what you're really into. Not bad. Got some Pegasus 34s. This is an older style. This is actually really good for wide footers though. The Pegasus 34 is actually better for wide footers than the Pegasus 35 and the 36, because they do tend to be a little bit wider here. And I think the tongue's not. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I thought the tongue felt weird. The tongue feels a little bit different on these. But yeah, these not bad for $50, and you get that 20% off. $40 total. Not bad. What the hell? What the hell? How the fuck are these here? What is going on here? Oh my god, the dunks. The Paul Rodriguez dunks. What the fuck are these doing here? Oh man, you know I gotta get these. These ain't even in my size. Size 11s. Wow. Wow, that is crazy, bro. That's crazy, guys. Cannot believe these are here. Yeah, this is dope. Kind of, they made it. This is obviously themed with the Mexican flag and stuff, or the colors of the Mexican flag, because he's representing for the Mexicans. It is heavily themed with boxing. Kind of looks like a championship bout right here, and and stuff. This is just dope. These are fire. I wish I had these my size, but can't believe someone returned these. That is crazy. Great. Whoa, I don't even know what to say, guys. What the hell? You finding limited dunks here? That is crazy, and I didn't even come here super early in the morning. That's nuts, you guys. This is nuts. This type of stuff is what gets me addicted to these outlets, man. Finding crazy ass shit like this. This is nuts. We're still finishing up with size 11s. Got a bunch of the John Elliot'S right here. Got the React 270s going for $100. These Mars 270s going for $110. Get 20% off all that stuff. Dang, Vaporfly Flyknits. Look at this. Twos. Going for $80 and you get 20% off on top of that? What the hell? That is just nuts, you guys. What's going on today? What is going on? Dang, I usually don't resell, but I thought there'd be all kinds of resale money on this, but nah, not really. But yeah, being able to get these, I think these are $64 after the savings, man. Y'all need some Vapor Max, $64 here. That's crazy. Size 11s, they got these SB Team Classics. Go for $40, get 20% off. That's like in the 30s. That's hella cheap. Got the 312s going for $90. Get 20% off of that. These the Witness. My bad. Witness going for $80. Witness 3s, 20% off. Seems like they got these in several sizes here. $65. The Vomero 14s, man. That's crazy. 11.5. Let's see what these up tempos is going for. Yeah, $129. That's why they're sitting, man. We've seen these for $79 all over the place. Okay. Oh, there's a 12 and the 11.5. These are some Air Max 90s. All white. Oh, got a little. Oh, okay. Got a French flag in the back. Okay, that's interesting. Some sort of collab. Yeah. Oh, and it's like, oh, look, it's canvas down here. And then, oh, it's all canvas. What the hell? I'm tripping out this material. And it's like nylon right here. Okay, okay. These bad boys going for $140, 20% off. I think I see some PG3s. What's this going for? $90, size 12. Not too bad. Not too bad. That extra 20% off what makes it really worth it, because if they were just going for $90, it'd be like, what the heck? But yeah, not too shabby. Size 12. Got plenty of the Vomero 14s, still going for the same price, and the Mars 270s too. Oh, this is the. Oh, I thought it was the bread colorway. Well, we got plenty of the bread colorways as well. But yeah, both those 270s, both going for what, 110, get 20. I think we're in the size 13s, but they get really huge here. So, okay, size 16, you guys. Got the All-Star Weekend PG4 Gatorades, the PG4 Gatorades All-Star Weekends. But yeah, pretty dope. Pretty dope. You get it for 20% off. It's $1. It's what, 120, you get 20% off. That's the size 16 though. Let's go back to the 13s. Not much for you size 13s. Got the Mars 270, the Shatter Backboard colorway. Do got some Odyssey React Flyknits there, going for $90, 20% off. Yeah, not too much. Got some, what are these? The Legacy 312s going for $90, get 20% off. And then obviously got the Vomeros, $100. And then got the blue and white colorway going for $65. That's pretty much about it, you guys. Let's go to the smaller sizes. What? Look at this, you guys. Wow, dude, I'm finding some crazy stuff. The Looney Tunes in size 10. LeBron Looney Tunes going for $160. Wow, that's crazy. I thought these were supposed to be limited. Well, they are limited, but wow, people are already returning them. That is nuts. Trying to see. I don't know. I can't really tell if they've been worn. Maybe someone just didn't like them. It says "What's up, Doc?" right there. Got the LeBron logo. Why is it LeBron? Oh, I was like, is that Cricket? No. Got his signature up front. Dang, that's crazy. Got the hair material right here. This is dope. Dope, you guys. Oh, and I guess they include React on these now. Did not know that with the lows. I guess they have some React on the bottom, on the forefoot. Wow, they got React. That's crazy. And then they infused like just regular rubber inside. That's nice. That's crazy, guys. It's crazy. $160, you get 20%. All right, I think I'm gonna get the Toon Squad one, you guys. I think I'm gonna grab them. So they have the Air Force one, Black History Month. We've seen these quite a few times. We're still in the size 10s. I was gonna go down, but finding all kinds of weird stuff in the size 10s. Yeah, those ain't bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Get 20% off $130, which is retail. Size 9.5 if you like a gold color. 55 for the Pegasus 35. Get 20% off. That's hella cheap. Got these Max Auras. $89.99. When these were down to like $60, I saw people reselling these. Yeah, and they're selling for like $100 online. So yeah, if you see those, yeah, you might want to jump on that. Got the Red Orbit Jordan 8s. I don't know why I had a brain fart. But yeah, I'm not a huge fan of these. We saw these on the Nike website for hella cheap. Like $1.25 or something. They still trying to get $225. At least you get that 20% off. But yeah, you could probably find these on StockX for way cheaper. I told you we see a lot of these wings. There's one right here and there's also one right there, man. So many, it's crazy. Why not 0.3s? We've seen a few of these here at the outlets now. Not too bad. Not too bad. Get 25% off for the $130. And the size 9. I've never seen this colorway of the tailwinds. It's like a creamish color, off-white color. Okay. Go for retail, size 9. You guys like skating shoes? Look at these. The Zoom Janowski Canvas. $25 and you get 20% off. So I think those go down to $20, man. That's hella crazy. They got these pretty much in every size if you want some running shoes here, you guys. The Vomero 14s going for $65. Hella cheap, hella comfy too. Made it to the size 8, you guys. Got the Zoom Freaks All Bros colorway. I did cop one of these bad boys. Got it for way cheaper than that. Wow, the Black History Months are here. Wow. Oh, we did see this at the outlet. I was like, oh, yeah, we did see this at the outlet. But they were going for full price. So these bad boys going for 20% off. They look pretty dope. Pretty dope. Size 8. Let's see what these are down to now, because these have been going down. 55. Size 7.5, $55. Get 25% off. Those were like what, 190 when they first came out. That's crazy. So this is a size 8. Got the ACG Terra Antarctic. Going for $150. 55. Get 20% off of that. KDs right here going for retail, size 7.5. That's crazy. A couple more at the end. The Kyrie 6, size 6, going for retail. Right next to that, we got the red carpets, LeBron 7 red carpets, going for retail as well. And then we got some of the Fear of God mocks. They trying to get retail for these. We've seen these so cheap at the outlets. Yeah, all 20% off.
Yeah, ask him to feel like he's
in the aisles in the Jordan section. They rarely ever have anything. But they do have these, the Fearless One React, going for $159. We saw these for retail. Dang, that's only 1 penny off. So it's still going for retail, you guys, because they retail for $160. That's crazy. Can't believe they still have these for the same price. But yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think about these? Because I'm not a huge fan of these. I know the React is probably hella comfortable, but it is encased React too. So I don't know how much comfort you're gonna feel with it being encased, because yeah, it hasn't been too comfortable in the shoes. But yeah, go for $160 if you want them. They got plenty here. I'll cover the SBs that are here. Got the Janowskis right here. Janowski Max going for $80. Seems kind of high, dude. $55 for these Zoom Janowski RMs. Check Solars going for $50. This is all buck leather, so yeah, probably a decent deal, being that it's all buck. $50 for these bad boys. They do got the Shox BB4s, the Zoom Rise for $70. Got the Air Force Max for $70 as well. And then these are for $80. Air Max 200s going for way too much money. That seems a little bit better, because yeah, we've seen these for hella cheap. And they still taxing us on these Air Max 200s, man. Way too much. Up tempos, man. We've seen these for $79.99. These are kind of high. The Chicago colorway. $250. Oh, I'm sorry. The Air Max 1995 Essentials. Not bad. More 95. It looks like both of these are newer colorways to the outlets. But yeah, both going for $130, man. That's way too steep. This outlet does have the best selection of the 720s, and they're always pretty cheap too. Go from $90 to $100. That's pretty much about it. Got the Vapor Max right here, 2019. It's going for $140 as well. Excuse me for not covering all the budget models here. These are way too budgety. Not the fact that they're just cheap, but they're cheaply made. So yeah, let's move on. Is this the newer model of the Legend React? I've never seen the Legend React with with all this stuff back here. That's a hell of a price. You get full-length React. This isn't a knit, but it does look pretty comfortable. But yeah, you get a lot of React with that. Not bad, 60 bucks. Another colorway of the Legend Reacts. 40% off, not bad at all. That's a good price for those too. Vomeros, I swear, the Vomero 14s, I swear they made the weirdest colorways of the Vomero 14s, man. 70 bucks, normally $140, not bad. Pegasus Turbos going for a little bit too much, in my opinion. Speaking of overpriced, look at the Pegasus. They have like a bunch of these going for hell of a lot of money. Yeah, they're all overpriced. I don't know why. These are the 36, still overpriced, and that's the last colorway, man. That's crazy. These aren't too much different from the 35, so just get the Pegasus 35 and save you some dough. The kit section is pretty small here, but let's see what's up, you guys, because I think they got some heat in the aisles. The 6Y, the 720 is going for $120. Wow, that's hella high. Low posit ones going for $125. We've seen these for $125 because they normally go for, you know, oh yeah, $180. Yeah, that sounds about right. But you get 20% off at least. Not much here, and the prices aren't that great right now, dude. The Epic Phantom Reacts fly knits. So these are the Epic React fly knits, but just no laces. All fly knit material, 90 bucks, 20% off. Air Max 200's going for 80. Still too high. This colorway of the Phantom Reacts, 60 bucks. That's pretty solid. 5.5 size. Not really see much in the kit section, you guys. These are pretty decent. Oh, these are hella good, actually. They look way small though. They look smaller than normal, but 30 bucks, 30 bucks, and you get 20% off. So, was that $24? Hell of a deal. Size 4, kind of the same prices, you guys. Flex Contact. I don't know what the hell these are. I guess these are some budget running shoes, or $45 for those. Presto Reacts going for 70. All right, let's check out the Owls, you guys. These bad boys going for 80 bucks. The Air Max 97s. More 97s going for a lot more. 95. Wow, look at the deal on that. We've seen these everywhere though. These have been at every outlet, but 45 bucks, that is the cheapest we've ever seen them. Air Max 200s. You know these are gonna keep falling. More 200s. More 200s. Last one. Plenty of sizes on every one of them too. Got these Jordans. I thought these were the Jordan 7s. Oh no, the Jordan 6s. But yeah, they call them the 617 23s. I don't know what the hell that is, but yeah, they got music notes on them. It's kind of an interesting pair. Going for 50 bucks though. Seems like a decent deal. And got the Zoom Freak ones, you guys. Zoom Freak ones, man. 70 bucks, normally $100. Not bad. 30% off. All right, we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. Gonna wrap it up. Pretty much got 2 finds. Got the Lebrons. I think I'm gonna resell those. I could even keep them, but I think I'm gonna resell them. And yeah, I'm gonna grab these SB Dunk Highs. I did open up a new Nike account. I have a couple now, but I'm gonna open up I opened up a new one. They did give me an extra 10%, so I think these might be worth reselling with that extra 10%. All right, so I'm checking out. Got the money thing going. Those are some the UNCs. Those are the UNCs to Chicago Jordan 1s. Apparently they can't sell them here. Thought that was interesting. All right, smash out. All right, so I did get the Toon Squad. I got those for $122. Then the SBs, I got them for 90 bucks. That's crazy, dude. Maybe I should resell them. I don't know. But yeah, I've already said, hey, whoever wants them can get them. Wow, what a trip, you guys. What a freaking trip. It's at 1:50. I got here at 1 o'clock. And yeah, you can still find crazy stuff like this. This is crazy. Like the Toon Squad, I'm gonna resell those bad boys. I got them for what did I just say? I don't remember what I just said, but yeah, I got it for hella cheap, and they're selling for way above retail, so I'm gonna throw those bad boys on GOAT. Yeah, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, because yeah, I post all the craziest deals. I do post them on Instagram. When I saw the Kobe AD Exodus out in Bakersfield, I did post that like before I even left the store, to give you guys a heads up for anybody in that area. So make sure you guys go ahead, follow me. And my Instagram's everywhere. I don't know if you guys noticed, at the beginning and at the end of every video, I do have my Instagram name up, so make sure you guys follow me on that. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you guys go ahead, press that like button. This is a crazy visit, guys. So make sure you guys help your boy out, press that like button. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead, press that subscribe button, and also click on that notification bell so you guys know what's coming up. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Woo! That was crazy. That's crazy, man. I hope this gets a lot of views, because that was just nuts. Just nuts.